Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Kickoff. Today I want to show you a pair of shoes in front of you. It's a pair of shoes, Jordan 4. You can see its color is all black, very beautiful. We are a factory that wholesale all kinds of shoes, sneakers, brand shoes, bags, clothes, and sunglasses, and so on. We guarantee high quality and fast shipping. If you are interested, you can contact us. Our information is at the bottom of the video. Okay, now let's do a detailed show of it. Its upper is very smooth. Here are some dust on it, but don't worry, because it has been stored for a long time, so there had some dust on it. Don't worry. You can feel very comfortable when you use your fingers pat on it. The logo. And look at its stitching. It is very perfect and strong. This can extend the life of the shoes. The black laces. Here is a logo. A man, 4 fingers, and a basketball. And inside of it, there is a sign. That's all of the shoe. You can see entirely. It's a very beautiful shoes. I love it so much. Okay, today let's finish the video. Thank you for watching.